Okay, on some headlights you have manual adjustment for the up and down of the main beam. So most headlights you've got an inner reflector here, and it can move separately to the rest of the light so that you can adjust the beam pattern up or down depending primarily on how much load you've got in the back of your vehicle or your pickup truck. Okay, now some lamps in Asia just come with a manual adjuster that you just have to adjust, but most of the UK cars you have a little wheel inside your cab that you can move, and it alters the beam so that as your load changes you can adjust for that without leaving your seat. The headlights we supply here, they're a sort of dual purpose, so they come fitted with a manual adjuster here that you can adjust with a screwdriver. But if you've got a crash damaged vehicle and you can use this light with your motor adjusters, and what you need to do is remove this manual adjuster. Okay, so to remove, you can remove this section here and actually fit a automatic adjustment motor, but it's a little bit tricky. We had a little bit of a fight doing it first time, so I've done the video to show you how to do it. Now what you first need to do is to give you some room is turn the adjusting screw anti-clockwise. So give it a good few turns anti-clockwise. Okay, right, and then what you need to do is this outer black bezel, rotate it clockwise quarter of a turn. Okay, and then you'll see it pops out now, and you can see here we've got some little lugs, and what we now need to do is actually we need to be able to rotate this whole mechanism, but these lugs are still catching, so we need to just give ourselves a little bit more length. So we'll just wind that, and now you see the whole lot spins. Okay, so we can now spin the whole lot out. Okay. Okay, so we've removed that, and when you get your adjustment motor, it'll have a thread on the same. So it's the same process in reverse. You take your motor with your thread, you engage it there into the plastic nut fitting there, you spin it on, and then when it's in place it engages in here, and then you plug your connector on, and you can then use this in your UK spec vehicle with automatic headlight adjustment from the cab.